everybody, and this video is just me buffing on all mode in my own housing. So, get back in. One minute, me buffing. Maybe a couple seconds or for a minute.